This is the Moonlander from ZSA. An ergonomic, mechanical, dynamic, portable, split layout keyboard. It has an orthogonal layout, making it easy to reach for keys above and below your home row. It also has hot swappable switches, making it super easy for you to switch out the keys if you want to change. It's fully backlit, and best of all, it fits into this tiny carrying case. Here we have it. Look at how beautiful it looks. I mean, it better because it cost $350 or £300. Now, okay, you might think £300 on a keyboard? Wow, I used to think like that. But ask yourself this. How many pair of hands do you have? And will you be able to replace them? Nah. This is the most ergonomic keyboard I've ever used. You can use it shoulder width apart. You don't have to hunch anymore. I can adjust it using the tent kit to suit my hands. And I can move the thumb cluster to make it easily reachable for my small thumbs. Tiny. It comes with a few extra keycaps, the cable to connect to the computer, and another one to connect the two sections together. Very minimal and simple, really. It's super easy to get going. Just connect it to your laptop and voila! You've got the default layout right there, ready to use. But if you're used to non-split layout of keyboards, then it will be a bit alien to your hands. And that is the reason I always have the layout open in a Chrome tab, because I still don't know what some of the keys do. Once you've gotten over the excitement of having this incredible keyboard, or being £300 poorer, you'll come to realize the number of customizations that are at your fingertips. Right? You can make this keyboard work for you. It's incredible. So what did I do first? Colors, of course. I spent the whole evening customizing the colors. You heard me right. I didn't say switches. I mean the colors. I have then since spent time customizing the actual layout of the keys. And this is where I recommend you spend most of your time, because the options for customizations are endless. And my iterations, I mean, they're going pretty quickly. I'm on 0.4.2 of my keyboard layout, and the iterations are just coming in thick and fast. So what are my impressions? Let's do a speed test, shall we? Am I happy with the result? No, of course not. Am I happy with the keyboard? Yes. You know, I feel with practice, I will get back to the numbers that I can achieve with a QWERTY keyboard, but only time will tell. I will be doing a full review of this, so keep an eye out for that, and let's hope that I can improve my speed in that time as well. That's it from me on this one. I'll see you in the next one.